How to put your iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro into DFU mode. How to put the iPhone 16 or 16 Pro into a DFU recovery mode on. Okay, you need to follow these steps precisely. Quick press and release the volume up button. Quick press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button or the power button for about 10 seconds until the screen turns completely black. Now while holding the side button, press and hold the volume down button at the same time for exactly 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the side button but keep holding the volume down button for another 10 seconds. Now if it is successful, you should see the screen stays entirely black, but a pop-up appears on your computer stating that it has detected an iPhone in recovery mode and needs to be restored. If the process fails, you should see the Apple logo appears on the screen. Okay, so let's dive right in and try it out. So press and release the volume up, then volume down, press and hold on the side button until the screen goes completely black. Get ready to hold the volume down button for 5 seconds. Now press and hold the volume down buttons for 5 seconds. Then let go of the side button and continue to hold down for another 10 seconds. Now you can see here I have stuff up and the Apple logos appear. So that means one of the buttons I hold it for too long, or I have released it too quick. So let's try it again. Okay, so volume up, volume down, press and hold on the side button for 10 seconds. Okay, now press and hold on the volume down for 5 seconds. Then let go and continue to hold down the volume. Continue to hold down the volume down button for another 10 seconds. Now let go. Okay, so the screen stays black. Now we connect it to a computer. It can be a Windows computer on iTunes or your Mac computer. And on my computer, it shows iTunes has detected an iPhone in DFU mode. You must restore this iPhone, etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.